Hey there, today I'm going to show you exactly how to put money on your American Express card. It's super simple, so let's jump right in. First, log into your American Express account on the website or open the Amex mobile app. Once you're in, look for the Payments or Pay Your Bills section. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Click that. Now you'll see your current balance and a few payment options. You can choose to pay the minimum, your statement balance, or a custom amount. Go with custom. Then pick your payment method. You can use a linked bank account for a free transfer or a debit card if you prefer. Just note that debit cards sometimes have a small fee. Enter the amount you want to add. Double-check that number. Then hit Continue or Review Payment. You'll see a confirmation screen showing the amount, payment date, and where the money's coming from. If everything looks good, tap Submit or Confirm Payment. And that's it. Your payment will usually process within 1 to 2 business days. So to recap, log in, go to Payments, choose your amount and method, and confirm. Easy. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.